in Motion Global Uganda Opportunity Plan presentation. Presented by Mr. Isaac, a top leader in Alliance in Motion Global. Let's begin with how you get involved with AIM Global. You'd need to request membership by purchasing AIM Global package worth 780,000 Ugandan shilling, which allows you to earn up to 1,600,000 Ugandan shilling every single day with ease. Most people start earning a decent amount the same day they sign up. It's easy. You will get for 780,000 Ugandan shilling a combination of AIM Global products worth more than 780,000 Ugandan shilling, instantly giving you 100% value for your money. A unique registration code for use on AIM Global online platform. A distributor tracking center, your online account that shows you what happens on your business, from which you can withdraw to your bank account anytime. A business kit that contains everything you need to do your business. Free ongoing training from business experts to help you succeed fast. Lifetime discount of 25% to 50% on all AIM Global products. Opportunity to help others through your unique ID. Above all, you are now enrolled in our big business opportunity. Alliance in Motion Global Compensation Plan. How you'd make money? As a business partner of AIM Global, you have the opportunity to earn from 7 different sources of income at the same time. Our number one way of earning is retailing, where you get 25% to 50% retail profit. This is optional. If you like buying and selling, your membership qualifies you for a lifetime 25% to 50% discount on your next product order. For example, you can buy C24/7 at 81,500 Ugandan shilling, and sell it at 103,500 Ugandan shilling, and get a profit of 22,000 Ugandan shilling daily, while the same products can accumulate more points for you, to earn additional residual income through other means in the members' reward plan. Note, it is not a must that you retail, buy and sell, before you can make a lot of money with Alliance in Motion Global. However, AIM Global products sell themselves because of their uniqueness and effectiveness. They include the world's first alkaline coffee that contains everything the human body needs for sustainable health in a sake. It's never been rejected. C24/7 Naturaceuticals that has a total of 140 components, over 22,000 phytonutrients, and including everything the body needs to naturally heal itself of different kinds of life-threatening diseases. This is one of the best products of AIM Global that keep receiving global awards and professional endorsement because of its effectiveness. Restore Life, anti-aging product that makes people look younger than their real age and have a longer lifespan. This product has caught the attention of some of the biggest media around the world for its effectiveness. The rest of the products visit our website. Our second way of earning is direct sponsoring bonus, where you get 50,000 Ugandan shilling. Every member of AIM Global is advised to share this business opportunity with at least 2 people. As these 2 people become members by purchasing AIM Global package like you did, you will earn 50,000 Ugandan shilling multiplied by 2 people, you will get 100,000 Ugandan shilling, which you can withdraw to your bank account instantly. You still earn these 50,000 Ugandan shilling continually on every new member you personally refer. Getting the right 2 people may be all you need to build an automated source of residual income with AIM Global. You will soon see how. Our third way of earning is matching sales bonus, where you get 100,000 Ugandan shilling. The most interesting part of this business: the first 2 people that join your AIM Global network will be placed on your right and left respectively, while others that subsequently join your network are placed under them using binary system. That is, every new member will have 2 people under them in your network, and earnings continue to grow automatically through the same binary system. So, when you purchase a global package of AIM Global, the system divides your business into 2, the left sales force and the right sales force. Therefore, here you are required to introduce 2 people, one on the left, the other on the right. For example, Isaac and Frank. The system pays you a direct referral bonus of 50,000 Ugandan shilling on the left and 50,000 Ugandan shilling on the right. Once there's one person on the left and another person on the right, the system pairs them and pays you a matching sales bonus of 100,000 Ugandan shilling. So, in total from your initial investment of 780,000 Ugandan shilling, you will have earned 200,000 Ugandan shilling. So now what you have to do is to support Frank and Isaac to introduce each 2 new people, that's N, B, then C, and T respectively. Once they do it, They are paid 50,000 Ugandan shilling direct referral bonus on their left and right. Both are also paired, and paid 100,000 Ugandan shilling. They also receive a total commission of 200,000 Ugandan shilling each like you did. But here is the most interesting part: when you help Frank and Isaac, the system will match your left and right. It pays you a matching sales bonus of 100,000 Ugandan shilling for helping Frank and Isaac to recommend their new two people. The system will match A and C. You get 100,000 Ugandan shilling, then B and D, and you will get an extra 100,000 Ugandan shilling. In total, the two new pairs will have paid you 200,000 Ugandan shilling. Now the remaining part is to work with the team of Frank and B, and then the team of Isaac C and D, so that each recommends two new people. For each new pair the system continues to pay you matching sales bonus of 100,000 Ugandan shilling up to infinity, both on your left and right, despite the arrangement of the people in your organization, as long as there's a pair. AIM Global puts a safety net of 16 pairs per day. When you match 16 times, the rest of the money goes back to the company, because you will have reached a limit of your pairing in a day. This was put to keep the company very stable, because as your team grows you find that you can hit 16 pairs per day. That is 1,600,000 Ugandan shilling per day, 11,200,000 Ugandan shilling per week, and 49,600,000 Ugandan shilling per month. Note, your two direct downlines could come either through you, or as a spillover from one of your uplinks who is referring more than two. Creating a guaranteed earning for you and every member, even if you are unable to refer two people on time. In other words, you can quickly get your first two downlines without referring them yourself, through spillover from your upline. Starting from the first two people that join you through any means, whenever there is a new member on your right and another new member on your left, AIM Global system will pair them, and you will be earning 100,000 Ugandan shilling for every available pair. It doesn't matter if you or any member is unable to refer people on time, or someone refers more than two. You will be earning the matching bonus each time there's a new member on your both side, irrespective of how they come: direct referral, referred by your initial downlines, or as a spillover from your upline downlines, or a 1-year scenario. Let's assume you join AIM Global in January, and it takes the whole of January for you to bring two people to the business. Then it takes the whole of February for your two downlines to bring their two people each, and the whole of March for the new 4 people to bring 2 people each, and it goes on like that every month. That is, you would have earned 400 million Ugandan shilling over 12 months. Remember, you are still earning from other sources apart from this matching sales bonus alone. You can also start with 3 accounts, that is 2,340,000 Ugandan shilling. Your 3 accounts, without referral, instantly earns 200,000 Ugandan shilling. Your instant income after putting 2 people on each of your last 2 accounts, U2 and U3, will be U1, direct referral bonus, 50,000 Ugandan shilling when you multiply by 2 equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Matching bonus, U2, matched with U3, equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. A matched with C equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. B matched with D equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. U2, direct referral bonus, 50,000 Ugandan shilling when you multiply by 2 equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Matching bonus, A matched with B equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. U3, direct referral bonus, 50,000 Ugandan shilling when you multiply by 2 equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Matching bonus, C matched with D equals to 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Your total income for this scenario is 800,000 Ugandan shilling. As your network grows, you can earn with your 3 accounts package up to 4,800,000 Ugandan shilling per day, 33,600,000 Ugandan shilling per week, 134,400,000 Ugandan shilling per month. Many ordinary people have been earning those figures without stress. You learn the above figure by just putting 2 people each under U2 and U3, which are the last legs of your 3 accounts. These are the 4 people that will automatically grow your business, as they refer to 2 people each and their referrals refer to 2 people each, and it goes on like that. In other words, you will continue to earn in 3 places with nearly the same efforts required to operate 1 account. Consider the potentially weekly and monthly income. You can also start with 7 accounts, which is 5,460,000 Ugandan shilling. Your 7 accounts, without referral, instantly earns you 800,000 Ugandan shilling. And just by putting 2 active people on each of your last 4 legs, you will instantly earn additional 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Matching bonus, multiply by 12, plus 100,000 Ugandan shilling. Direct referral bonus, multiply by 8, equals 2 million Ugandan shilling. These are the 8 people that will automatically grow your business as they refer 2 people each and their referrals refer 2 people each, and it goes on like that. You will continue to earn in 7 places with nearly the same efforts required to run 1 account. As your network grows, you can earn with your 7 accounts package up to 11,200,000 Ugandan shilling per day, 78,400,000 Ugandan shilling per week, 313,600,000 Ugandan shilling per month. Other ways of earning include the uni-level bonus, where you get 5% to 10% on all reorders of product sales volume, which is the 4th way of earning. Then the 5th way is stair step, where you get 10% to 40% overriding commission. Then the 6th way is Tier Max 10. Then the 7th is the flowback points. Finally, as we finish, AIM Global has created over 10,000 plus self-made multimillionaires in less than 14 years. Hopefully, you can be the next millionaire.